Bahamas at sunrise. Even more exciting than the fact that Doctors Hospital Pharmacy is now open 24 hours a day is their Buy Now, Pick Up Later initiative. And here to talk with us about this initiative is Dr. Michaella Stubbs, clinical pharmacist at Doctors Hospital Health System. Good morning, Dr. Stubbs, and welcome back to Bahamas at sunrise.
Hi, good morning, and thank you for having me.
Absolutely. So talk to us, what is the Buy Now, Pick Up Later initiative all about?
All right, so what it is the Pick Up Now, Pay Later initiative. And
Okay.
so it's designed to really decrease the financial burden on purchasing medications. We know that coming out of the COVID pandemic, there's been some restrictions with respect to finances. And so, what we're aiming to do is roll out a number of initiatives which can assist our customers in accessing their medications and maintaining compliance. So, the Pick Up Now, Pay Later promotion or initiative allows our customers to send in their prescriptions, new prescription requests or refills. The pharmacy will then process those prescriptions and then dispense the prescriptions to the customers. And they are allowed or they have the option then to make their payments within 14 days of medication, of receiving the medications. So we take away that burden of having to come up with the full cost of the medications at the time of the request.
Interesting. So the pick up now, pay later, is there a minimum order total that's required for persons to participate in this program? And are there any medication restrictions in terms of branded medicines that are not allowed to be a part of the pick up now, pay later initiative?
No, we offer a full pharmacy service line, and so all of our medications are eligible under this new promotion.
Excellent. What are the payment methods that you currently accept for the pick up now, pay later initiative?
Well, customers have the option of paying using our online platform, so they can make a credit card payment or a debit card payment, or they have the option of coming into the main facility located on Collins Avenue to make a cash payment, or cash payments can be made at any of our approved Doctors Hospital locations. So at any site.
So we know that you have a loyalty advantage program. Do loyalty advantage members, are they able to use their plan to participate in this new offer, or is this something just for new persons that are using Doctors Health services for the first time?
Well, Loyalty Advantage members are also eligible to enroll in this program as well. They do have the added benefit of receiving certain discounts off of their medications. Depending on the plan that they're enrolled in, they can receive up to 30% discounts on their prescription medications. So they have the option of enrolling in this pay later program where they will still be eligible to receive the discounts and then make the payment on the balance owing at the end of the 14 days.
Absolutely.
And of course, they're allowed to do that sooner if they wish, but we do allow 14 days for satisfaction of payment.
Now, we normally live in a cash and carry culture, so you have the pick up now, pay later program. How are you guaranteeing, how are you assuring that Doctors Hospital is going to be paid in within the allotted time frame? What mechanisms do you have in place to assure that?
Well, at the time of medication request, we do obtain all of the patient's demographic information, and then we rely on our finance team to do all of that back office accounting. So they'll reach out to the patients, liaise with the patients, and then work with them on coming in to satisfy balances owing.
Okay. Now we know
Mhm.
that due to the pandemic and some of the what we would call spillover effects that have not yet to be fully resolved, the retail sector is still seeing a lot of delays in shipping and a lot of shortages. How is this impacting the pharmacy sector? Are we seeing the same kinds of issues when it comes to medications as well?
We are seeing similar issues, but at Doctors Hospital, we take on a more proactive approach because we are fully aware of the medications that are highly utilized and highly requested. We engage in a 6 month procurement process where we ensure that we have at least 6 months on hand of these critical medications. And so it gives us time then to allow for the international and local vendors to get their remaining shipments in before we're at critically low levels. And so this is something that we practice simply because we do have an inpatient setting that we have to, ensure that the medications are readily available for those patients. And so this extends to the outpatient and retail setting as well.
Interesting. So there's a lot of pharmacies around town. What are the benefits of using Doctor's Hospital Health System Pharmacy? Why should this be the pharmacy of choice for Bahamians?
Well, aside from the hospital location, we are getting ready to launch a new retail pharmacy location that will be located downtown at the Point Hotel. I'm not sure if you've passed that area and you can see the advertisements on the window. And so that location will offer the same promotions as the hospital location. We will have the pick up now, pay later promotion. We will also have copay waivers for all insured patients. So if you are privately insured and you would typically pay a 20% copayment on your medications at the time of collection, what we have done is we've waived that copayment. So you're now eligible to request and collect your medications without incurring an out-of-pocket cost. All right, so you collect your medications, you're now eligible to bypass the cashier line, and you can walk away with your full supply of medications at zero cost out of your pocket.
Interesting.
Another initiative we have, oh, I'm sorry.
No, go ahead.
Another initiative we have is for our self-pay patients. So we haven't left them out. So if you are uninsured, what we've done is we've offered a 20% discount on all prescription medications. And if you're uninsured and you are a LAP member, then of course that discount increases to 30% on all prescription medications. So we're ensuring that we ensure that each financial category is benefiting from the promotions that we offer at Doctor's Hospital.
Excellent. Dr. Michaella Stubbs, it's a pleasure having you here with us on Bahamas at Sunrise. We thank you for joining us this morning and telling us more about your Pick Up Now, Pay Later initiative. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me. Thank you.
Absolutely.